Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the image on your OBS virtual camera. Alright, if you start the virtual camera, there will be nothing here. So you can easily change that image on your background. So first open OBS Studio and make sure your virtual camera is set up and working. You can tell by seeing the options right here. The virtual camera option, it will be enabled. So that means it is working. Next, go to scenes panel and either use the existing scene or create a new scene. Alright, by clicking on the plus icon here at the bottom. And once you have a scene selected, head over to the sources panel, this one, and click on the plus sign and then select the image tab to upload a new picture. All right, you can add an existing image or create a new one and then click OK and choose the file you want to upload. Like you go to my download section and I will use this one. Right, and now this will be your background virtual camera. Let if you start your camera and this will be used as a background image, and you can also delete this and upload new one or upload any more you want. The process is simple. Just go to scenes and then add sources to add your virtual image. Once you're happy with the image, uh, start then click the start virtual camera option here, and that's it. Your now new image will be displayed as a virtual camera feed in any other applications that supports virtual cameras like Zoom or Google Meet. And that's it. You have successfully changed your OBS virtual camera image in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.